Mike Sullivan. As you know, I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. Years ago, as I was surfing other groups that were giving answers to IRS questions, I realized that there was a deficiency in people actually knowing really what was going on. A lot of people take classes to work tax resolution, and matter of fact, many of them are well intentioned. A lot of them are pretty good, but there's a big difference when you work for IRS. Huge difference. Matter of fact, you can tell in the answers. Most of the answers are generic answers. People have worked cases and they found results working and hearing back from revenue officers. But really, when you pull back the veil of IRS, there's a whole different mantra and landscape that you that you don't see if you haven't worked there. And one of the things that we try to do at the tax mob is pull away that curtain so you can see what's behind the scenes. That's why we load this up with a bunch of former IRS agents. Many of them have been teaching instructors. They're really, really good tax practitioners. And if you are going to be an expert in what you do, you can't just go to classes and get information from them. There's two things you have to do. You have to pull back the IRS curtain. You've got to find out how IRS really works the case. You got to get in the mindset of really what's going on. And then you have to have a lot of experience. And you really have to have someone that walks alongside of you to help you work cases. So anyway, I'm just trying to give you a heads up at the tax mob. This is what you're going to find. You're going to find people there who are willing to help you, give you answers. And really at the end of the day, don't be surprised if you wind up buddying up with some of these people for actually a business partnership. Many of the people that I know who were never in community or ever met people in the same space met them in the tax mob. I was surprised about that because being a former IRS agent and coming in this space, I didn't know what to find. But I'm just telling you, it is your lucky day when you come to one of these events. Don't be cheap. Spend the money. I'm telling you, it's well worth it your first day. Blessings. Thank you so much for listening.